Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. If you're planning to visit SEA LIFE Sydney Aquarium, watch this video first to get a glimpse of what's waiting for you inside. As soon as you enter, you'll be welcomed by a variety of colourful fishes. We even spotted a penguin early on, which was a great start to the adventure. One of Callie's favourite parts was seeing the seahorses. She was so excited watching these tiny creatures floating gracefully in the water. Now, let's take a quick photo break. One of the highlights for us was seeing the Regal blue Tang, better known as Dory from Finding Nemo. Callie instantly recognized her and couldn't stop smiling. As we continued exploring, we came across a turtle showing off his incredibly long neck. It was such a cool sight to see up close. We also had a family photo session during our visit. The aquarium takes professional photos throughout the experience, and you can easily access them later by scanning a QR code. Next, we visited Dugong Island. This area features an educational presentation where you can learn more about dugongs, their habitat, and conservation efforts. Of course, you'll also get a chance to see the dugong itself, which is one of the aquarium's most unique residents. Then came what we think was the best part of the entire experience, the Shark Valley. Walking through the underwater tunnels while sharks, stingrays, and massive fishes swim above and beside you is simply incredible. The sharks get surprisingly close, making it a truly unforgettable experience. We thought that was the final highlight, but we were wrong. Next, we visited the penguin expedition, where we had the opportunity to ride through and see the adorable penguins up close. Watching them swim, play, and interact with each other was absolutely amazing. After that, we entered the Jellyfish Kingdom. The glowing jellyfishes moved gracefully through the water, creating a beautiful and almost magical atmosphere. Our final stop was the Rainbow Reef. The vibrant area is filled with colorful tropical fishes, giant stingrays, and huge sea turtles swimming through a massive aquarium display. It was the perfect way to end our visit. Overall, SEA LIFE Sydney Aquarium was a fantastic experience for the whole family. It combines fun, education, and interactive exhibits that both kids and adults can enjoy. Callie loved seeing her favorite sea creatures up close, and we learned a lot along the way. If you're visiting Sydney with kids, it is definitely one of the attractions worth adding to your itinerary.
Tension, gonna blow in a breeze.
Have you been to SEA LIFE Sydney Aquarium before? Let us know your favorite exhibit in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Team Labata, and turn on the notifications for more family-friendly adventures, attractions, and hidden gems around Sydney and New South Wales. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.